Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to do something that I think you'll find really, really useful. We're going to get Netflix set up right on your phone or tablet so you can watch all your favorite shows and movies whenever you want. My name is Tim Little, and this is my channel, Tech for Seniors. My whole goal here is to make all this technology stuff easy and, dare I say, even a little fun. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So, how about it? Are you ready to unlock a whole world of entertainment all right from the palm of your hand? I promise you, it is so much easier than you think. Let's do it together. Okay, first things first. We need to understand a key part of your phone. It's called the App Store. Now, I know that might sound a little technical, but trust me, it's really not. Think of it just like a trusted shop, but it's a shop for your phone. It's a special, totally secure place where you can go to get new programs, or apps as they're called. And Netflix, well, that's just one of those apps. Now, depending on the kind of device you have, your shop is going to look a little different. So if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you're looking for this blue picture on the left, called the App Store. If you have an Android phone or tablet, that's something like a Samsung, you'll be looking for this colorful triangle on the right. That one's called the Play Store. Why don't you take a quick look on your screen right now and find which one you have? All right, did you find your store? Perfect. Now for the fun part. Let's go get that Netflix app. I'm going to walk you through this one step at a time. We'll go at a nice, comfortable pace, so no need to rush. Okay, we're going to start with those of you who have an Apple device. So, if you're holding an iPhone or an iPad, listen up. These next instructions are just for you. Okay, here we go. First, find that blue App Store icon we just talked about and give it a gentle tap. Once it opens, look down toward the bottom of the screen. You should see a little magnifying glass that says Search. Go ahead and tap that. Now, a search bar will pop up at the top. Tap in that bar and just type in the word Netflix. You should then see a button that says Get. Sometimes if you've downloaded it before, it might look like a little cloud with an arrow. Whichever one you see, go ahead and tap it. Okay, Apple users, you're on your way. Now, for all of my Android users, if you have a phone or tablet that's a Samsung, a Google phone, or pretty much anything else, these next steps are for you. And you'll see it's very, very similar. All right, first things first. Find and tap on that colorful triangle icon for the Play Store. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap right in there, and just like before, type the word Netflix. Once you see it pop up, you'll find a bright green button that says Install. Go ahead and give that a tap. Now, don't be surprised if your device suddenly asks for your password or maybe asks you to look at the camera. This is perfectly normal. It's just a little safety check to make sure it's really you. It's actually a good thing. It's there to protect you. So, what's next? Well, the next step is just to be patient. You'll probably see a little circle spinning around. That just means the app is downloading and installing itself. Now, this could take a few seconds, maybe a minute or two. It really depends on your internet connection. Just let it do its thing. And just like that, you did it. See, I knew you could. This is the exciting part. Let's take a look at what you've accomplished. Go ahead and go back to your main screen, the one with all of your icons. If you swipe through your pages, you should now see a new app with that big red Netflix logo. There it is, it's installed and it's ready to go. From now on, you can just tap on that new Netflix icon to open it up. It'll ask you to sign in, and this is where you'll type in the email address and the password you use for your Netflix account. Before we finish up, I want to share one last helpful tip with you. This is honestly one of the best things about having the Netflix app on your device. So, inside the app, you'll find something called downloading shows. What does that mean? Well, it means you can actually save a movie or a show directly onto your phone or tablet. And the real magic here is that you can then watch it later, anywhere, on a plane, in the car, at the doctor's office, even if you don't have an internet connection. It's absolutely fantastic for travel. I really hope this little walkthrough was helpful for you. Again, my name is Tim Little, and this is Tech for Seniors. If you enjoyed this and you'd like more simple, clear answers to your technology questions, please think about subscribing to my channel. It really helps me help more people just like you. So look at you. You're now an app installing pro. You learned a brand new skill today, and you've unlocked a whole new way to enjoy your favorite entertainment. So I only have one question left for you. What are you going to watch first? Enjoy the show.